Hey guys, today we are here. We feel like someone is there in Sudan, so everything that the environment or the weather looks like someone in Sudan. You see, yeah, with the same trees which we have in our country or in Sudan or in Africa, generally. Even we have the same birds. You see, this one we call Bumaria. That's one. Wow, this looks nice. So let us go ahead and then see what they do have other things. Oh, what's up here? I don't know. 1 second, Adam. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this is Sudan.